Are Honda Civic wheel spacers safe? The Honda Civic wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding hub by clamping force. By tightening the wheel stop of each wheel, all processes are transmitted through each end of the car and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Honda Civic wheel spacers installed. Generally, hub-centric Honda Civic wheel spacers are designed with hub-centric in the center that fits perfectly on the hub. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Honda Civic wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Many Honda Civic wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional wheel spacers, the BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Honda Civic wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. The BONOSS forged multi-stage Honda Civic wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric molding is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit on the Honda Civic wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage Honda Civic wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves that make your brake cooling better distribute in kettle shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Honda Civic wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacer comes with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.